Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by importing footage into Clipchamp and placing clips on the timeline so you can trim precisely. Once done, make sure your project resolution matches the final output to avoid reformatting artifacts. Drag clips from the media bin onto the timeline and use the timeline zoom slider to expand time. This gives you finer control over cut points. You're already cutting into the work. Set playback to loop and play the area you'll trim to identify exact in and out moments. Now focus on precision. Position the playhead where you want the cut and press spacebar to preview so you can hear and see the exact point. Then either drag the clip edge inward to trim or choose split at playhead to cut in the middle and remove unwanted sections. Make sure to nudge the playhead frame by frame for exact alignment. This reduces jump cuts and keeps audio in sync. If clips have transitions or overlays, collapse or unlink tracks temporarily so trims don't shift other elements. Finish by tightening the sequence. Remove gaps manually or use ripple delete to automatically close spaces and maintain timing. Once all trims are made, play the full timeline to confirm flow, audio sync, and transitions. Small timing errors are easier to spot in continuous playback. Then export with settings that match your project resolution and frame rate to preserve quality. If audio goes out of sync after trims, unlink the audio track, realign it to the visual, and add a short crossfade to hide abrupt cuts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.